sí, estamos ahí. Good. Vamos. Vamos. Yay! Woohoo! 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 To be fair, I know.
There's not as much progress, I think, as we had hoped for.
We have invitations that have gone in for a party, which is in 2 days. And this is not a BYOP. This is not a bring your own peak brush party. So it has to get done. Which means that I would love to sit around and keep talking about this, but that's not going to get it painted.
This fashion doesn't work for painting, and I'd best be going home.
Big fun.
Time for us to pitch in and help the painters who've had to help Craig.
Okay, let's see.
After all, if it's not done in time to set for holiday cocktails, we all know.
Timber! Timber! Timber!